Today, my friends, I have one really quick tip for you on how to mount these power strips or anything else that has these little keyholes on it. It's actually very simple and it requires no measurements at all. All we need is a simple masking tape or painter's tape. Now flip this power strip around so we can see where these keyholes are. Put this masking tape right over these keyholes. We want to have them covered with this masking tape. As you can see, this is the shape of the keyhole. You can also feel it with your finger. On this skinny part of this keyhole we will put a small hole. On these other two also just press it. You can use a needle, you can use pencil, screwdriver, whatever you want. Perfect! We have 4 holes right on the position where we need to put our screws. Now in my case I want to mount this right here on the side of my desk so I can have access to these cables all the time. So I'm just gonna find approximate position for my power strip. Let's say that this is the one. So basically just peel off this masking tape. You have to be a little bit careful not to tear apart and glue it to the place where you want to mount. Right here, just glue it. And now right here in these 4 holes we can drive our screws in. Now just simply peel off this tape. As you can see, it's going very easy. Only the screws are left behind. Once you have your screws, try to mount this power strip. This part can be a little bit tricky because you have to find these holes, but with a little bit of luck you can get it. Just slide it in position like this, and as you can see, it's pretty fixed. Perfect!